Hello students, welcome to the session. Students, in this session, I want to discuss with you some interesting characters of meiosis cell division, some of the stages of meiosis cell division. Let us see each and every cell division with the help of some various examples and interesting principles. Each and every stage of meiosis, which plays an important role in the formation of gametes or male germ cells or female germ cells. Let us see the first question, students, and interesting points. And to save the time, I have drawn the diagram on the board. You can look at the first question. What are the events in metaphase 1 of meiosis? So the question given like this. Suppose if you imagine it is a cell. Suppose if you imagine it is a cell. So what are the events that occurs in metaphase 1 of the meiosis cell division? So you know that from anterior pole of the cell, as well as from the posterior pole of this cell, anterior pole as well as posterior pole of the cell, generally spindle force appears. Anterior spindle force as well as posterior spindle force. Through this spindle force, tube-like structures comes out, which are called as a microtubules. What are they called? Microtubules. These microtubules, alignment occurs to the center of the homologous chromosomes, isn't it? This alignment of chromosomes at the center of the chromosome called a centromere. What it is called? Centromere is generally seen in the metaphase 1 of the meiosis. You can see the plate-like structure appears at the center of the chromosome called equatorial plate of the metaphase 1. What appears? Equatorial plate. So these are the common changes occurs in the metaphase 1 of the meiosis. Moving to next question, students. Look at the next question. Name the stage between two meiotic cell divisions. You know that? Inter, in between. What do you mean by inter? In between. So interkinesis, which is a cell division, occurs in between the two meiotic cell divisions. So the option 3, which is a suitable option. Third one, what are the events in telophase 1 of meiosis? What are the general changes or events occurs in telophase 1 of the meiosis? So let us see. You know that during telophase 1 of the meiosis, suppose take a diagram of telophase 1 of meiosis, how it looks like. Let us take the telophase 1 of the meiosis. The telophase 1 of the meiosis, suppose imagine here it looks like this. Suppose imagine it looks like this. You know that from anterior end and posterior end, you know that there is a pore-like structure called spindle pore appears, through which the microtubules arises. So imagine these are microtubules. What are these called? Microtubules. Generally looks like this. Here the chromosomes already moved towards their opposite end in the beginning of the telophase 1. So here chromosomes are moved towards their opposite end. So here separated chromosomes or individual chromosomes, they moved towards their opposite end. Like this, after moving the chromosomes towards their opposite end, around these chromosomes, a membranous structure appears. Around these chromosomes, a membranous structure appears, which is called as nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane generally appears in the telophase 1. And one more thing, inside this nuclear membrane, you can see a special solid substance which is called as nucleolus. What it is called? Nucleolus. So hence, nucleolus appears at the telophase 1 of meiosis cell division. So anyway, these are the two major changes that we can see in the telophase 1 of the meiosis. Next, moving to next one. Here, cytokinesis cytokinesis follows cytokinesis follows in the telophase 1. What do you mean by cytokinesis? Division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis, that also seen in the telophase 1 of the meiosis cell division. So these are the different events that are commonly seen in the telophase 1 of meiosis. Moving to next question, let us look at the next question. Third question, students. Fourth question. Tetrad cells are dash 4 haploid data cells are formed in the which of the following phases? You know that tetrad cells are generally formed at the telophase 2, at the end of the telophase 2. So, how these tetrad cells are generally looks like? Suppose you know that during telophase 1, what changes occurs? During telophase 2, what changes occurs? We have to imagine. Suppose imagine it is a telophase 1, it is a telophase 2. What is the given question here? Tetrad cells are 4 haploid daughter cells are formed in which of the following phase? Finally, at the end of the telophase 2, complete 4 haploid cells are seen. Complete 4 haploid cells are seen which contains equal genetic material. So, the correct suitable answer is telophase 2. Next, moving to next question, students. Let us see the next question. Identify this given phase of meiosis. What is the given phase? Can you imagine what is the given phase? Just try to see the sister chromatids remains attached, homologous chromosomes that are also seen. So, and microtubules are also seen. These yellow color tube-like structures are called microtubules that are also appears. Hence, the given stages belongs to anaphase 1. What is this given phase? Anaphase 1 is the given phase. Clear, students? Moving to next question. Sixth one, what are the events in metaphase 2 of meiosis? You know that metaphase 1 very well. What about metaphase 2? What are the sequential stages or characters seen in the metaphase 2 of meiosis cell division? If you look at metaphase 2, here chromosomes are arranged on the metaphase plate. Suppose take the cell. For better understanding, I want to draw the diagram. For your better understanding, I want to draw the diagram. Let us take the diagram. So, metaphase 2, how it looks like. Imagine it is a cell. Imagine it is a cell. You know that from anterior pole and posterior pole, spindle force appears. This spindle force forms tube-like structures called as a spindle fibers. What are they called? Spindle fibers. Spindle fibers appears in the metaphase 2 of a meiosis, or microtubules appears in the metaphase 2 of meiosis. And one more important character is, in this metaphase 2, chromosomes are arranged at the metaphase plate. Where exactly you can see the metaphase plate? Suppose at the center of the cell there is a plate-like structure appears which is called metaphase plate. What it is called? Metaphase plate. So in this metaphase plate, you can see the arrangement of homologous chromosomes. How these chromosomes are arranged here? The chromosomes are generally arranged like this. The chromosomes are generally arranged like this on this metaphase plate. Okay. So this is a one more event or character that is seen in the metaphase 2. Generally, the chromosomes are attached to the chromosomes. You know that center of the chromosome is called, what is the exact definition of center of the chromosome? The center of the chromosome is called centromere. What it is called? Centromere. The centromere is generally formed by a special structure, a special nodule What is that special nodule called? So this special nodule is called kinetophore. What it is called? Kinetophore. So let me draw the complete structure of a chromosome so that you can understand how these centromeres are attached to microtubules. So this center of the chromosome is called centromere, as I said earlierly. Centromere, center of the chromosome is called centromere. This centromere is formed from a special structure called as, what I said it is? It is considered as a kinetophore. What it is called? Kinetophore. So anyway, here the centromeres, with the help of kinetophores, they stick to the fiber-like structures called as microtubules, which are formed from the spindle force. These spindle force forms microtubules. These microtubules attach to the center of the chromosome with the help of spindle fibers. What I am trying to say, the microtubules elaborates or divides into microscopic fiber-like structures called as a spindle fibers. These spindle fibers attach to the center of the chromosome called a centromere. So these are the events that are occurring at the metaphase 2 of the meiosis cell division. Clear, students? Moving to next question, 7th question. Identify the phase in the meiosis. Try to identify the phase in the meiosis. Haploid daughter cells are forming. How many haploid cells are forming here? 4 different haplodiploid or haploid daughter cells are seen. Isn't it? So where, in which of the following phases or in which of the meiosis cell division phase or stage 4 haploid daughter cells are formed? We know that it is definitely telophase 2. It's definitely telophase 2. So the answer is telophase 2. Given stage is the telophase 2. So these are the different examples and diagrammatic representations that are related to our assignment questions. Remaining we will discuss later. Students, until be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.